How to get Snapchat Plus subscription for free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen, and then here you can see the option of Snapchat Plus. So tap on Snapchat Plus, and as you do that, you'll be able to see different options over here, that different features that it provides. So simply tap on next, and here subscribing is important. So subscribing is currently not available in my region over here, so that's why I'll not be able to use the Snapchat Plus feature. So if you have the availability of Snapchat Plus feature on your region, then you can just tap on subscribe and you can enjoy your free trial that it provides for a month, and then after that you can just use it if you want and pay, and if not then you can just leave it. But the Snapchat subscribing is not available right now, so I won't be able to do that, but the basic way is to subscribe and enjoy the free trial. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.